how to add a vertical divider in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a vertical divider in Notion. Just stick around till the end so you don't miss the key steps, especially the little trick that makes it work smoothly. Alright, first head over to Notion's homepage. That's where all your workspaces, pages, and templates live. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Login. Notion gives you a few different ways to sign in, but honestly, the quickest and easiest way is to just hit Continue with Google, and you'll be taken right into your Notion dashboard. Now that you're logged in, open up the specific Notion page where you want to add the vertical divider. Once you're on the page, click on any blank area to start editing. Here's where we get creative. What you're going to do is type in quote. That's the slash command to insert a quote block. You're not really going to use it for quoting anything though, we're just going to use it as the vertical divider itself. Once that quote block pops up, press Shift plus Enter a few times. This basically adds some extra height to the quote block, which will help it look like a proper divider once we finish setting things up. Now go ahead and create a new text box. Just click anywhere below and type something like Section 2 or whatever content you want on the right side. Then, here's the key move. Click and drag that text box to the left or right of the quote block until you see a blue vertical bar appear. That's Notion telling you it's ready to split the layout into two columns. Let go, and you've now got a vertical divider between your two sections. It may sound like a weird little hack, but it works surprisingly well. Notion doesn't have a built-in vertical line block, so using a quote block like this is a clever workaround. And that's it. You just added a vertical divider in Notion using a simple trick. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips. Thanks for watching.